am back, and as y'all know, I have promised y'all a stripper heel video, so let's do it. Okay most of the items that I have did come from AMI Clubwear, but I did pick up some as well myself. Before I even knew that AMI Clubwear was going to send me some, I had already ordered these other ones as well. I had said I was gonna go and get my first pair of stripper heels out that I ever purchased, but I don't feel like digging them out. But the first ones that I have are a black pair, and the heel is actually a gun. And y'all, I used to wear those shoes to the club faithfully and just be wearing my stripper heels like they regular heels, like it's nothing, okay? But I haven't worn them out in a really long time. But lately, or recently, I did want to wear some clear ones with the outfit, but the ones that I had at first just didn't work, so I did purchase another pair. So I'm just going to show you all the items that I have. Some of them are really affordable, some are more expensive, but my favorite brand for stripper heels are definitely Pleasers. They are comfortable and they fit my feet well. So just a forewarning, that is most of the ones that I have. I will probably also be having a sale because some of these did not work for me. So yeah, let's get into it. All right, first pairs that I'm going to show you, we're going to start this off bougie on a budget because these items came from AliExpress. And if you have a wider foot, this could definitely work for you. I will probably end up putting these on my site to sell as well because I am not going to use them because I have another clear pair and these were just too wide for me. So whenever I put my foot in, my foot would kind of just slide out because this part was just way too wide, and I couldn't think of any possible way that I could shrink it down. If y'all know, y'all could let me know for future reference, but I will more than likely put these on my site to sell whenever I do have my sale. And these are a size 7, and I've only put these on in the house, like took some pictures and took them off because I was gonna wear them for Thanksgiving, I believe, but my foot was sliding too much, so I couldn't wear them. So the bottom still looks new and everything like that, but I did put them on for pictures and stuff like that. So yeah, these are the shoes, and these are by the brand Xoxo. I don't know how to say it, but this is the clear pair here, and these are not super tall, and that's really what I wanted, but I accidentally ordered some that were taller than these. So y'all know I'm super short though. I'm 4'11", so any extra height doesn't hurt me or anything. It's not like I'm super tall and I'm gonna look like a giant or anything, but I love being short personally. So I don't know, I like to wear my stripper heels, but I still like to be short. And in most cases, any guy that I date or whatever, they would still be taller than me even with the tallest heels on, you know. So it is what it is. So I had also picked up the black pair as well from AliExpress. These are actually by the same brand. These feel like they have a little bit of padding on the inside. I haven't tried these on or worn them or anything, so I don't know if my foot slides out with these. But yeah, I do have a black pair, like I said, the ones that have the gun at the bottom, but I really just wanted like a simple black pair if I wanted to wear a heel like this to go out somewhere or whatever. So yeah, these are the black ones, and they have like that patent leather type of look to them. I wouldn't suggest these for dancing because I don't know, with the clear ones my foot slid out, so if you're going to be dancing and stuff, it's a no-go. Get you some Pleasers. They are go-to, and when I say dance, I mean like a real stripper, you know, like if you're a real stripper and you need some shoes, get the Pleasers. They're the best brand. They're comfortable. Like I said, I've worn the other ones out to the club regular. I've never been a stripper, disclaimer, but they work, you know, and they're comfortable. So this is the next pair. I picked these up on Amazon after the fill with the clear ones because I was like, I still need some clear ones, and I wanted some that were not too high, but these are actually higher than the other ones. So this is a clear pair, and these are by the brand Pleaser. All of the boxes look like this. The box that I have of the old ones are, you know, it's this same type of box. So I guess they don't change their box up, or maybe they do for some styles, but this is the clear ones here. So really cute. I think these are really cute to wear out, like if you're gonna go somewhere or whatever. So yeah, I picked these up and I want to compare it to these. I did want them to be not so high of a platform, so that way, you know, I wouldn't be so tall and it would just kind of be more so like a regular heel. But as you can see, the platform on this part is a lot thicker than this part. It's almost kind of like not doubled, but you know, a little bit taller, if you can see the difference. So yeah, I would say if you want to wear them more regular, then get something that's more, you know, shorter like this, which I thought that I did, but I guess I ended up ordering the one that was thicker. So this is the clear ones here, and I don't know when I'm wearing these because I really don't even be wearing like my stripper heels and stuff no more. But at some point, I'm gonna wear these, okay? And I got a cute outfit already that I know will be really cute to wear with this if I ever go out or something. And these fit really tight on the foot, so your foot is not gonna slide out. It also has kind of like some cushioning in it. Pleaser is just a really good brand, and they're very durable and comfortable, although the shoe is really high and everything like that. So I picked these up on Amazon. I think they were around $40 or so, and I would have picked them up from AMI Clubwear on my own, but in the clear ones they didn't have my size available, so I just ordered them from Amazon. So I'm going to show you the rest of the items that I have from AMI Clubwear that are stripper heels, and they sent me some other ones that are like stripper heels, but they're more like burlesque type, you know, like more kitten type heels, not stripper heels. So I'm gonna show y'all. Let me get it. Oh, I got my big box here. I'm gonna go through all of the stripper heels first, and then I will show you the other ones that I have, which are not my personal style, but I didn't pick out any of these items. They just sent them to me randomly. They said they had some overstock, and I was like, perfect, because I'm already doing a stripper heel video anyways, so send them on, okay? Thank you, AMI Clubwear. So this is the first one, and all of them are pleasers, like I said, which is the great stripper heel brand. So yeah, I love pleasers. So this one, and I got them all in a size 7. I wear a 7 in these shoes. They don't come in half sizes. So this first one is really cute, and I would totally wear this out. I don't know with what, but it will be really cute paired with something. So these are a rose gold color, and it kind of has that metallic, and these are not as high as like my clear ones that I just showed you. These are more low, like the ones from AliExpress. So these are more good to actually wear out to the club or whatever, you know, like more simple. It's still a high heel, but it is better because it's not as thick. Like if you want something a little bit more casual, these are good, but they're also, you know, good to dance in, but they're not super high. So I know most of the time dancers like super high, super thick platforms, so these may not be it, but these are cute to wear out. So this is the color. They are really pretty rose gold color, and they're like chrome, but this part is clear and this part is clear, and also on the little buckle it is a rose gold type of color. So these are really cute. Pair it up with some rose gold jewelry, like a really pretty light pink dress or something like that would be really cute with these. So these are a size 7. I will try all of them on for you, but y'all know I'm lazy, so you will probably see one on one foot and another on the other foot because I ain't got time, okay? This is the next pair, and I already kind of opened all of these and tried them on just to see what I got and how they fit. So this next pair is a holographic glitter pair, and these are really cute. These are similar to the clear ones that are pleasers that I showed you as well. So these have glitter, and they are like a multicolor holographic glitter, and then they have the clear band across the top and on the back with the silver buckle. I am really glad that they didn't send me any that didn't have a strap on the back, because I just feel like they're much more comfortable if you have a strap, and you are less likely to bust your ass if you have a strap on the back. So this is this pair. So these are really cute. Like, this is giving me a vibe. Like, I might need to put these on and take me some pictures. Like, it's matching, okay? So these are super cute as well. And I have another pair that have some glitter on them. that are similar to these but different, and I really like them as well. This is the next pair that I was just talking about that are similar. In all of the pleasers, they do come with this little like dust bag type thing that you can put a shoe in. Like each shoe goes in a separate one of these, and they also come with this type of dust bags to travel with your shoes. And I think whenever I used to bring my other ones, I always used to pack them up like that. So yeah, this is the next pair, and these are so cute. So cute. These are really thick though, and I don't know if y'all can see, but it is glitter. And then you have stars, diamond stars on the shoe, on the heel, on the back part of the shoe. You know, the front doesn't have anything, but it's on the sides. So yeah, I don't know. It's so cute. It's kind of hard to see unless you get up super close. Then you can see the stars. Because it is kind of like the same colors, but this gives you like some bling and pizzazz. And I think this is great if you are a dancer, because this will go with so many different outfits, because it's not, you know, it's just silver. So you can put like a pink outfit, a turquoise outfit, a lime green outfit like I have on. You can do black, you can do any color that you want, but like bright colors and colorful colors will be really pretty with these. So yeah, this is these. So yeah, I got all these shoes, and I'm just kind of like, girl, you is not going to work at nobody's club, and you know, like 1 or 2 pair of these are really enough for me, because it's not like something I wear all the time. So I don't know, I may eventually end up selling some of these other ones as well. These shoes can be quite expensive, and you know, you do want good quality, especially if you're wearing them every night, if you are an actual dancer. So this next pair I'm definitely gonna sell, because I can't wear these at all. So this is the next ones. It's actually a pair of boots. As you can see, it is a bigger box, and I was super excited to get a pair of boots because I've never had any of the boots, but they don't fit for my legs. I do have bigger legs, so if you have smaller legs, these would work for you, and they are size 7. I thought they would be kind of cute, badass to wear like for Halloween or something like that once I opened and saw what they were. But my legs do not fit into these because my legs are just too big, and I feel like my legs are big, but they're not super big. So yeah, these didn't work for me. But this is the boots. If you can see, it is like a thigh high, and it has like that patent leather feel. And then this is the bottom of the boots. It is super thick platform, a really high heel. These definitely give me like Players Club vibes, like something that, what was her name? Was it Trixie? What was that girl's name? The one with the blonde hair. Y'all know who I'm talking about. I can't think of her name right now. But this definitely gives me vibes of her when she danced on the table at the party with the cops and stuff. Like, this gives me that kind of vibe. I don't even remember what she had on, but it just makes me think of that moment. And y'all know what she said on the movie. Like, I don't know. It's just making me think about that moment. So these are super cute, and I thought they would be really cute as well for like Halloween or something, for like a sexy cop outfit or inmates or something like that. But they don't fit on me. If you can see how this looks, like it's really small down here. It gets wider at the top, so it probably could fit my thighs in, but just down here I couldn't even get it zipped up, and I was like, it's not gonna work. So I will more than likely post these up to sale, because I don't really have a use for them since they don't fit. But they're really cute, and I will still try them on and hold them up without zipping them, just so y'all can see how it looks on me. So like I said, all of those are a size 7. So yeah, let me show you the other little items that I got. And like I said, these are more like burlesque type dancer type heels in my opinion, because they are lower and stuff. And even like on the picture, it kind of looks like a burlesque type of dancer on the picture. So this brand is called Bordello, and this is the first pair. I have 2 by this brand, and then I have another one that is also by Pleaser, but it is not a regular classic stripper heel. So this is the first pair here, and they're kind of like a pink cheetah print. You have the little heel with the wood and everything. So yeah, these are cute, but they're just not my style. Probably like back in the day, I would have like rocked the hell out of these with some jeans and stuff. But these are not really, you know, it's not really my style. I also have these as well, and these are size 7s also. This is by the same brand, and this is the next one, and these are really cute. These are more dressy though, like they definitely give me like wedding party vibes. So they have like a little flower on the top. It's like a satin material, and you have a little heel. I'm not even going to take it off. I'm not probably even going to try these on because they're just not really my style. But these are really cute. Like these would be cute for a wedding, for church, you know, a dressy event or whatever. But yeah, they're like a light pink satin color, and then you have this little piece that goes around and that. So yeah, I think these are cute, but they are not like classic stripper heels. These are probably more so like burlesque type stripping, if you know what I'm saying. This is the next pair here, and these are by the brand Pleaser as well, but this is how they look. So these are kind of like a classic style pump with the cutout here, and then it has like the gold at the toe with the glittery type vibe, and then you have like a gold heel on the shoe. And yeah, this is these definitely give me like church vibes and stuff like that. Like this is not in the stripper category to me whatsoever, unless it is a super classy type of club. But yeah, so that is this shoe as well. These will be cute with, you know, something else, but not anything I would personally wear out to a club or something like that. So that is all of the shoes in my stripper haul video. So I hope you dolls enjoyed it. If you have questions, leave them down below, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to twerk and throw that thing back. Okay, bye dolls.